Why, hello guys. It's been a while, like since last year. It is February 3rd, I think. Yes, because Poxitani Phil saw his shadow, so we have winter for 6 more weeks. But I'm here to show you two mini albums that I made, and this one is a mini, not a tiny mini, just a mini. It's four and a half by 4, I think. Let me see. 4.5 by 4 3/4, and so this one is Together Forever, it says on the front, and I used some paper from let me see, I think I have it right here. Yes. The Paper Studio Bright Vintage is the paper I used, and there's some handmade flowers up here. This Together Forever. Here you can, it's the back of the front page, you can add a photo mat back here. This one is a flip, and this also says Forever, and you can add a photo behind that. Then you lift it up, and again, you can add a photo behind that little flower. This is cute paper. I think, you know, it's very Paris. This first page has a photo mat in it, and that goes in there. And here's the back of that page. Here is another page where this little embellishment has a key, and you can actually stick a picture in behind this embellishment if you would like. It's like a denim, and actually I'm not 100% sure what it is, but anyway, I'm not sure what it is. But then you flip up, and here's more butterfly, and over here is the heart that loves is always yours. And then, of course, another photo spot. And then over on this side, it's a little feather with a heart, pinstriped paper. Here we have another flip up, more of that Parisian, that's the word, Parisian-esque paper. And then here we have this collage paper. It's like little notes. And behind this heart, you can add another photo. And it says, my one and only. And then, of course, there's a little mat in here. And then on this side, this is nice paper too, with all the little wildflowers. Love You Forever. This came from a vellum pack I bought from the thrift store a long time back. Here is a heart that you can actually put a photo in behind. It's like a corner tuck spot. And I cut that out from some paper. And then up here is like watercolor type paper. And down here also watercolor. You can put a photo behind there. This pocket has this mat in it. So there are 4 pockets, and then there's this little, and then right here with a little bit of love. And this is a pocket also. And like under there you can also add, yeah, I showed you that. And then the back, the side, and I think it's a cute little Valentine type, lovers, partners, you know, whatever type of album, mini album. Now here, this one is for a swap that I'm gonna be sending out. Cooking is my passion, so it's all cookbook, recipe related tag books. So the front has these little tiny spoons, forks, and chef hat. So then you open it, and here is a like a old-fashioned refrigerator, and up here it says Mom's Recipes. And then here is the actual first page, and it has a pocket here and a recipe card, and then gather at our table. And then this paper is like pots, lids, measuring cups, spoons, spatula. So then we turn the page, and here is another page with a side pocket. This actually is a recipe from this paper. I think it was a graphic 45 paper, I'm not sure, but in the swap I had received this, and I thought, well, I'm gonna use it in something else, so I decided to use them in here. And then here's the side pocket, and you saw that this is blue or teal, but it's like the cover, the little spoons and hats. Here is another pocket. This is retro, like pot, fork, spoon, knife, toaster, rolling pin plate, cutting board, and then here's a journaling spot and a place to put your recipe. So that goes in like that. This page has the spaghetti strain spoon thing, a cleaver, some butcher knives, couple pots, On this one, it has measuring spoons, cutting board, you know, all the stuff that you would use if you were cooking. Now here is another, has recipe on it. And this is a vertical pocket. And then here is, I love this retro with the little apron, the mitt, the tea kettle. I love that. And this is our nest is one of the, and then the recipe, one of the tags I stuck in this pocket. And then we flip, and I love this. Look at vintagey, love that. And then here is some more kitchen supplies and chef hat. This is also a recipe card. Has recipe already on it. Then this says secret recipes, and this is the back. And now we go this way. This has a pinch of this and a dash of that. And then this has like blenders and that kind of thing. And again, we have recipe card and a journaling spot. Here we have the blue background with all the spatulas and measuring cups, and this is the recipe card for this one. And then we turn the page, and here is that teal paper, and I put that little picture sticker down there. And then here are the recipe card and the journaling spot for that page. And then here is another vintage, love that. Look, little pepper. I think that is lettuce, could be wrong, I'm not sure. And then the pots, the utensils, the pot mitt, and then this is also a recipe, so that goes in there. Then you turn it again, and here is I love that vintage look, just love it. And here's a spot for journaling and your recipe spot. And then here is, I thought this was neat. It's like a plate. Well, it is a plate. It's a plate, the serving utensils, and a cutting board. And then on this page we have where you can write a recipe or about a recipe, and then it has recipe on this side. So that slides into this pocket, and then we're back to the front. So this is what I've been making, what I've been up to since the New Year's come. Not to mention, I was laid up for about a week and a half, because we had COVID. Omicron. Yeah, Omicron. That was, could have been worse. Omicron, if you've already had your inoculation for COVID, is the better of the COVIDs if you have to get, like, if you have to get COVID. That's the COVID that you want. Because it goes fast. It's more like having the flu. So, I was out with that for about 10 days. And then I just picked up several days to work. And when I was not working, I was doing some haul videos. Well, I haven't done the haul video, but I've been doing some hauls. I went to Dollar Tree and I already put that stuff away, but I do have a haul that I want to share with you in my next video. So if you're interested in the haul, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.